Hello, good morning, children. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
I'm sorry, good afternoon.
Uh, Good afternoon.
Okay, so please turn on your video. Rafan, you there? Hello, Rafan, you there? Rafan Ashik. Okay, how are you, children? Come on. No replies for how are you?
Yeah, we're okay.
What?
I'm okay. Good.
You're good? You're okay? Just okay, Amra? No happiness is coming from your side.
I'm just really tired.
Oh, this is last hour, right? I'm also so much tired. Not last hour. You have one more hour, right? I was having continuous class for last 4 hours, and this is the fifth hour. So I'm also so tired today. Okay. So let's not go deeper. We'll just take some and we'll have some fun. Okay.
Okay.
Where is Heza? She's missing. Shravan, your voice is okay now, right? Rafan was there, no, in the last class.
Yes, yes.
Where were you? Rafan? Again gone, went. Okay. It's good to see you with a maid's background. Okay, so what were you in the last class? Why were you not? Why did you not attend the last class? Unmute your call.
Ma'am, I was in vehicle. That's it.
Sorry, I cannot hear you
I
properly.
Good
I was
afternoon, ma'am.
vehicle. I was in the car.
Um, some sounds are coming from your side. Actually, I cannot hear you.
My my books want to, but there is no my mountain. When
Hmm.
I come over here,
Okay. Heza, why were you late, Heza? What happened to Leizal? Was he there in the last class?
No,
He was not there.
I don't know. I didn't have.
What?
I don't have Hindi. I don't know. But he
Okay.
didn't. He wasn't in the homework club, so
Yeah,
he didn't
homework
have.
club, he was not there. Okay, Rafan, for you also homework is pending, right? Why you did not attend the homework club?
yes.
Why you have not attended the homework club?
I don't know. There was a homework club there. Then I noted in 1 o'clock.
Oh, so you are not knowing about the homework club.
Yes.
Okay, so please turn on your video. Yeah. So Shravan, just speak something. Your voice was okay in the homework club. Now what happened?
He
Me?
cannot. He cannot speak now. It's red when I touched his.
What?
Hmm?
It's he can't talk.
Well,
It's mute. It shows it's mute.
I think it's my cousin problem.
He can't talk because it's mute, but he can still, like, it's showing it's not mute. So
But it was
there's something
okay.
wrong with his.
He spoke no on the homework club
Oh
time.
yeah, yeah. Maybe it just fixed on its own by just only for one class.
Hmm.
But it's a glitch that
Okay,
stays like
Shravan.
a little
Anyway,
longer.
Shravan, can you hear me? Okay.
Oh, he can hear.
Okay. Yes. So, children, what were we taking in the last class?
Fractions.
Hmm? We were taking the
Mixed
mixed numbers,
numbers.
right? Adding mixed number. We done some question and we have some more question left, isn't it?
Yeah. Page number.
Yeah.
Huh?
Am I stuck?
No.
No, no, no.
Okay. Yeah. This is the pending questions, right? We want to do the after from the question 7, isn't it? So this is a pyramid and we are going to add it, okay? When we add this 2, we got this. And we have to add this 2 numbers to get the blank here. Same here also. Okay?
Can I do
Okay.
this?
Hmm? What I'm wrong?
Can I start doing?
Yeah, we can start doing. You can take the question number 7. Rafan, you can draw such a pyramid in your notebook. Okay. Just solve the first two one. Rest of the three question, no, you can do it from the home. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, please do it. Shravan, are you doing? Rafan?
And this one in
That's fine.
textbook. Yeah.
Okay. So, dear, take the question number 7. You got the textbook.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ah, nice. So, you can take the question number 7. And in this question, here this 2 is added to get this number. In the same way, you have to add this 2 to get here.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
ma'am, 5 by 5, 5,
5,
5 by 18.
5,
5 by 18, right?
12 plus 15. Is it? Is it 5 by 18?
5 by 18, yes.
Yeah, 4 plus 5. No, 5, 9 by 6, right? 5, 1 by 3 is the answer.
1
2
by
by 3
3.
will be what? 2 by 3. When we add, multiply it into 2, it will become 6 by, no,
Ma'am,
4 by 6, right?
ma'am,
Yeah.
what we have to add? 3 2 by 3 plus 2 5 by 6.
Yeah, 3 2 by 3 and 2 5 by 6. So 3 2 by 3 means what? 3 2 by 3. 3 plus 2 is 5, right? That 5 will
Yeah.
be here. Okay. Now 2 by 3 and 5 by 6, isn't it?
Yeah.
So this 2 by 3 we can just multiply 2 by 3 uh,
2
into 2.
into 2.
3 into 2 is 6,
Yeah,
isn't it?
into 6.
Yeah.
Into
So
2.
it will become 4
4.
by 6 plus 5 by 6.
Yeah.
4 by
4
6
Ma'am, can you do this equation plus 5 by 6?
plus 5 by 6.
5 9 by 6. 5 9 by 6.
Yeah, 5 9 by 6 and this 9 by 6 can be made it as 3 by 2, right? 9
Yeah.
and 6 is having 3 in common, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
So 9 can be cut into 3 and 6 can be cut into
2.
2. So 5 9 by 6 is the
5 by
answer and it will
5
become
9 by
when we cut
6.
6 and 9 we can get 3 here and 2 here. So 5 3 by 2. Okay.
Yeah. Cut, cut.
5 3 by 2 is the answer here.
So 5 3 by 2.
Yeah.
Ma'am, after we get answer, we need to simplify it.
Yeah. When you get the answer, if there is anything to simplify it, you have to do it. Otherwise, you don't do it.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay. 5 3 by 2. Then 2 5 by 6 plus 4 4 by 9.
Yeah. Do 2 5 by 6 plus 4 4 by 9.
Math 6 6 by 3.
2 5 by 6 plus 4 4 by 9, right?
Yeah. Math 3 6 by 3. 6 6 by 3.
We got 3. What method you use for this? 2 plus 4 is 6, right? That will keep it in a side. Now 5 by 6 plus 4 by 9. We can use what method? What method you use, children?
Ma'am, multiply.
Multiply what by what?
6 into 3.
6 into 3 is 18 and 9 into 2, right?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Now we could also butterfly method, right?
Yeah, you could use butterfly method also. It's up to you, okay? But if you use butterfly method here, you will be getting bigger number and you have to
Yeah.
simplify it more. But if you use if you can make it into 18 as the denominator, it will be more good, I think. 18 by 15 plus 8, right? 15 plus 8 is 23, isn't it?
Yeah.
23 by 18. So 623 by 18 is the answer, isn't it?
Ma'am, 15 plus.
What?
No, ma'am, no, ma'am. Into
And we
2.
can make this 23 by 18 as a mixed number. How?
15 by 8 plus 3 divided by 1. They tell them, don't store, bring that
Rafan,
stuff
can you please
away.
mute your call?
And then he didn't listen. Ma'am, the final answer is 7 5 by 3, right?
25.
7
Yeah,
5 by 8.
7, 5 by 18, right? Yeah. Now this will become 6 plus 23 by 18 has become what?
Yeah.
1, 5 by 18. Okay. And the last
And so the
answer
rest
is
is homework.
7. Yeah, the rest of the 3 is homework. Okay. You have to make it in a pyramid manner and submit it in a notebook. Okay. Write it in notebook and submit. I have to see your steps too.
7.
7, 5 by
5
18, isn't it?
by 18. Yeah, 7 5 by 18.
Okay. All of you got this? Any doubt?
7 5 by 18. Ma'am, what is pyramid method?
Pyramid. Pyramid means the question is a pyramid question, right?
Yeah.
You
Okay.
have to draw that pyramid and submit it in the
Oh,
notebook.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, today I'll put in the classroom.
Okay.
Question number 7, right?
Yeah. Question number 7.
Okay.
Me, I do. I promised.
Will
I
you sing?
did. Yeah, I can sing.
Okay, then very good. Come on. I'm so tired today. I just want to cool my mind.
I
I'm Shravan Raj
can
in
only
Malayalam
sing
class.
English songs. You can just tell.
Yeah, it's okay. It's English, Hindi, anything. I'm okay.
Okay, English. If you know any song, I will sing it. Okay.
What?
Can anyone tell me which song to sing? Because I don't know anything in top of my head.
Ah. Okay, some recommend any song to Heza. Amra, come
That
on. You
I
can
that I
say
may
give a song
know.
to Heza.
That I may know. Maybe. Can anyone tell me any songs that I can sing?
You just sing any song that you like. Come on. Rafan, will you? I felt like Rafan sings well.
See?
No. No, no, no. I don't know anything
But I
about
felt like
songs.
so.
I don't like being.
Okay, Heza, come on. You can sing now.
Oh,
Amra will sing, right?
No, I don't sing.
Yeah, you used to sing, right? You used to sing in
No,
the
not at all.
programs and all. Yeah,
No, no.
auditorium when we conduct you sing once, right? You sang
No,
once.
no,
No? Was
no.
it your speech? I forgot. Anyway.
It was a speech.
It was a speech. Okay.
I was anchoring.
Okay. Come on, Heza. Hello. She went. She said no. She will sing. And then she went.
Sorry.
Come on. Just sing any, dear.
Can I sing the Frozen 2 song?
What?
Frozen 2 song.
Which song?
Frozen 2. Show yourself.
Yeah. Sing.
I'm too embarrassed because my voice is pretty beautiful, but I don't know what it would say when I hear. I don't know.
Okay, yeah, anyways, sing it. No problem.
Oh.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, start.
Hey.
Come on.
I don't usually sing like this though. I'm a lot nervous that I think I am. Cringe. Hey.
Prince.
Hey. Hey.
Rafan, come on, turn on your video. Why did you kept it off?
Do yourself. I'm ready to run. Oh. I've never been certain. No, all my life I've been torn. A reason, a reason. The lyrics are a little bit. I can't sing sometimes. Sorry.
Okay, it's okay. So you're not singing now.
Yeah, I have a cracked voice.
Okay, that's okay. Anybody other than Heza?
I'm Shravan in Malayalam
Can I
class,
sing
she said.
Ma'am, can I
He's
sing when
singing
my
in school. He's singing in school.
when my voice is perfect?
Yeah, okay.
Do you
Shravan,
like
but
my voice?
Shravan's mic is not okay, right?
Is my voice perfect?
Yeah, it was good.
Rafan's showing his drawing.
I
What is
have
that,
like
Rafan?
I sing to myself every single time.
Please off your background.
Rafan, hello?
I have some network issues right now.
Ah, but we can see you properly. Turn it on. Okay, so shall we go
Can
back?
yeah.
My mind is not relaxed yet. You're not helping me, right? Okay, yes. So what is this?
Ma'am,
This method is
ma'am,
hmm,
in Malayalam class, Shravan can unmute his mic. In Malayalam class or in Malayalam class. He can off his
yeah, in homework club also he did the same.
yeah,
But here is not he cannot do it.
yeah.
He's trying to speak, but it's not audible actually.
In top right there is a button.
Okay, so simplify this expression by collecting like terms. Okay, this question is actually just to simplify it. Okay,
Uh,
so we have to collect the like terms. Like terms means what?
Ma'am, now I'm ready. The Y, the X.
Yes,
I
Rapan,
think like that.
I can see you properly. Look here, this question, look here. Mm, here the question is missing, right?
Yeah.
What is the question?
The question is 3 7 by 8 x plus 1 by 3 y plus 4. I'll type it in the chat box.
Okay,
And 3
one
7
second
by
then.
8
One second
plus
then. I'll
3
just
7 by
take the
8 x
whiteboard.
plus
Just take the whiteboard,
uh,
and from there we can do it. Okay.
3 7 by 8 plus 4 7 by 4 5 by x plus 1 1 by 3 y plus
4 5 by 6 x plus
Okay, say the question, please.
2 1 by 5 y. 3 7 8 3 7 by 8 x
3 7 by 8
8 plus x
x plus
plus 1 1 by 3 y
1 1 by
1 by
3
3
y
y
4
plus
5 by 5 by 6 x
1 1 by 3 y
4
plus
4
4
5 by
5
6
by
x
6 x
4 5 by
5 by
6
x
x plus
x
2
2
1 by 3
1
y
by 5 y
2 1 by 5 y. Two 1 by 5 y. Okay, so we have to collect the like terms together. Like terms means what? Here, these are the two numbers with x value, and these are the two numbers with y values, right? So that we have to kept it together. So when we first keep the x terms together, it will become 3 7 by 8.
plus 4 5 by 6
Yeah, 3 7 by 8 x plus 4 5 by 6 x, right? 4 5 by 6 x. So let's solve this first, okay? So what will be the answer when we solve it? Only the thing is one x and y came in between. So we cannot add the term with x and term with y together. We'll just keep it as it is. Okay. So
so it's
the term with
x
x means that is the like terms. Okay. First we'll add x terms together and we'll add y terms together and we'll keep it as separately in the last answer. Understood? So 3 plus 4 is 7, right?
yeah
Now
yeah
7
3
by
plus
8
2
and 5 by 6.
24 common
What we can do? 7 by 8 and 5 by 6.
multiply
Yeah, multiply what by what? 8 into
8 into 4 24 6 into
8 into
6
4
into
is
4
36 and 6 into 6 is 36, right?
yeah
Okay.
8 into 5
Okay.
or
Uh, 8 into 5.
5 yeah
you could
8
do
into
8
5 is
into
8
5
40, right?
24 right
8 into
No, that is not coming. 8 into 3 is 24 and 6 into 4 is 24, isn't it?
yeah
8 into 3 is 24 and 6 into 4 is 24.
and 7 into 3 also na?
Yeah, 7 into 3 and 5 into 4
and
also.
5 into 4
that is
21
21 by
21
24
by
and
25
Okay.
20 by
Yeah. So 7, 21 by 24,
1 by
21 plus
24 plus
20
20
by
by
24,
21
20
21 plus
20 and
20 by 24, right?
yeah
24 that is 41 by 24
Yeah, 7, 41 by 24. Is there anything to
we can make it a mixed fraction
41? We cannot simplify it, right?
yeah we cannot simplify
So this is 24. Now please solve the y terms first.
white terms
Y terms is 1 1 by 3 y and 2 1 by 5 y.
1 1 by 3 plus
1
2
1 by
1 by
3 y
5
and 2 1 by 5 y.
2 a 3
1 plus 2 is
3
equals to
You have to write x here, okay?
okay
So 1 plus 3 is 1 plus 2 is 3. This will be 3 here. And then in the same way,
1 by
like we
3
done.
plus
3 into
by
here you can use butterfly method, okay? That is more
5
easier.
ma'am can I use multiplication multiply
What do you use then? This is
ma'am
1.
multiply like first x we do x by multiplication no
Yeah, I know. But
Can I do before?
butterfly method is very easier here. 5 into 1 and 3 into 1 and 3 into 5. 5 plus 3 by 15 will come.
Okay. Ma'am, how? 5?
5 into 1, 1 into 3 and 3 into 5.
1 into 5 is
5 plus
5.
3
And
by 15 will come and 3,
3 into
8 by
5.
15 is the last answer.
Ma'am, how to write my butterfly?
Butterfly method
Ma'am,
is like this
so
here.
ma'am, what is cross multiplying?
Yeah, cross multiplying
This
method.
is the same cross multiplying, right?
Yeah, cross multiplying method only. Butterfly method means I meant like this. Look here.
Okay. Now I get it.
Look here.
It's the
First
same
we will
method,
do
and
this.
we just do
Yeah,
1,
1
3,
into
and 1,
5
5,
plus
and the down,
1
and
into
the
3
3 by
plus
5.
3 into 5.
3 by 5.
Yeah, look here. It's
Yes.
like a butterfly, right? Simply. So we'll say it a butterfly method, okay? 1 into 5 plus 1 into 3, 3 into 5. So this will become 5 plus 3 by 15 and 3, 8 by 15 is the last answer. Nothing to simplify. So we'll keep it as it is. 3, 8 by 15y. So what is the last answer here? 741 by
Ma'am,
24x plus 3, 8 by 15y.
ma'am,
Yeah,
how you get 38?
it's not 38, 3, 8 by 50.
Oh, ma'am, okay.
Done, ma'am.
741 by 24x plus this will not add, okay? This will keep at this is plus, okay? 3 8 by 50. 3 8 by 15y. Okay.
Ma'am, please wait. Done, ma'am.
Okay. Can I rub this? Everyone written? Now try doing the next question, children. What is the next question here? 1 3 by 4x plus 3 3 by 4x. This is very easy question.
Ma'am, what? 1,
1 3 by
3 by
4x
4
plus 3
plus?
3 by 4x. You can see it,
Okay,
right?
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Can you?
Ma'am, 4, 6 by 4. Ma'am,
Yeah, it's
4,
4
6 by
6 by 4,
4x.
right? 4 6 by 4x, or we can say 6 by 4 we can simplify, right? So 4
Yeah, 6
3
by
by 2x. That is the last answer. Rafan, are you writing? Are you feeling sleepy?
Yes. Ma'am, 4, 3 by 2?
Yeah, 4 3 by 2 the last answer.
Yes, ma'am. 1 plus 3, 3 plus 4, 3 plus 3,
And for 3 by 2, right?
3 plus 3,
Yeah,
6 by
for 3
6,
by 2.
6 by 6 by 4,
Okay. The next
simplify is
question, 2 1 by 2 y plus 2 2 by 3 x plus 6 3 by 5 y.
4, 3 by 2.
Just keep
Ma'am, what?
So first we do y, right?
yeah, you can you don't want to do x anything here. You just keep it as it is, okay? You have nothing to what add with x, right? So this we'll keep it as it is. We'll just take only y terms together
Y.
and add it. Okay? Rafan, what is your sister's name?
My sister's name is Aisha.
Aisha?
Ashik.
Okay, which class is she?
Third G. Third. I don't
G3.
know. Correct. Division.
G3.
Yes, third. She's in third.
G3, which class? G3B?
No. G. Not G. Not G. I don't know which is third.
G2?
No. Three. Three. He's in three, but I don't know. She's division correctly. I
Okay.
just say
Might be
that.
she's in third standard, right? Grade 3, right?
Yes.
I don't know, I'm getting lost.
Okay. Wait a minute.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, children, do the
My range is going off and on. So can I pause this and just rejoin?
yeah.
Ma'am, 8 2 by 3?
8 2 by 3.
Yeah.
8 2 why are you saying?
Yeah, why?
So 2 plus 6 is 8. So this
Yeah.
2 2 by 3 we'll write as it is, okay? 2 2 by 3 x,
Yeah.
right? We'll write here itself. And
Ma'am,
yes,
we need to add 2
yeah.
from x.
No.
No. Only, yeah.
We'll not do anything. We'll keep it as it
Yeah,
is,
okay.
okay? That
Okay,
x
ma'am.
part will be like that itself. Only y we will
Yeah.
do. If there is one more x term, then we'll just add it, okay? But there is only one x term, no? So we'll keep it as it
Yeah.
is. Now
Okay.
8 5 plus 2. 8 7 by 10, right?
8 7 by 10. No, ma'am.
Yeah. 1 by 2 plus
2
3
plus,
by 5, right?
yeah, 1 by 2 plus 3 by 6. Oh, 3 by 5, ma'am.
Yeah, 3 by 5. 5 plus 6, right? 5 plus 6 is 11. Yeah, 8 11 by 10 is the answer.
8?
11 by 10.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Okay.
Um,
Plus 6, 8. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 5.
8 11 by 10, y is the answer, okay? So,
And we need to multiply. Denominator same.
no. 8 11 by 10, y, and you'll keep 2 by 3 x here.
Okay. And we need to make the denominator same.
No. You don't want to do x anything. If it is x and
Okay.
y, you will just keep like this, okay? This is the answer.
And how do you get that answer?
What?
How did you get that answer?
Which one? This one, no? 8 11 by 10, y?
No, ma'am. 2 1 by 2 plus 6 3 by 5.
Yeah. 2 plus 6 is 8.
Yeah, I know that 8, but answer.
Now 1 by 2
10
plus 3 by 5. Do you have any doubt?
Yeah, I have it out.
1 by 2 plus 3 by 5. No, it's very easy, right? Butterfly method we'll use.
Oh, butterfly method.
If it is 1 in the numerator, you can always use butterfly method, okay? If it is bigger
Okay.
number in the numerator only, you have to go for the other method. If it is smaller number like
Okay.
2, 3, 1 and all, you can use butterfly method. That will be more simple. Okay. So
We use
5,
arrow method.
5 plus 3 into 2 is 6, right? 5 plus
5 plus 3.
6 by 10. So 11 by 10. Okay.
Okay.
Heza, are you there, Heza?
5 plus
Are you sleeping?
6.
So it will be 7, 11 by 10.
Yeah, 7, 8, right? 8, 11 by
8.
10, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
3 into 2.
Okay.
5.
Will you do the C and D question as a homework? You have,
Yes, can I write it?
you can write the question.
Uh,
And you can write the other one also, okay, the pyramid question.
Oh, ma'am.
If you want to
Don't
note it down,
get the
first you
next
write
one.
this.
I need to tell you something.
First you write this, then I'll show you the other.
And C and D is homework.
Yeah, C and D's homework.
Okay. Now what about A? We didn't.
Yeah, A question we done.
Yeah, okay. Answer is 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 2, no?
Yeah.
6, 3 by 2.
Write down this question fast.
And 6, 3 by 2 or 4 to 3 by 2?
6, 3 by 2, right?
Okay, yeah.
Yes. Seven. Plus 2, 1 by 2.
Plus 2, 5, and 1 plus 5. 6. So, 8,
Next is a
5 plus 6.
2 by 2. So,
Children, written everyone?
Yeah, ma'am.
no. 1 minute.
Okay, make it fast.
And what we need to do now?
Writing down the question, homework question.
Ma'am, I deleted textbook.
Plus 2, 3.
And I mark it in textbook.
Okay. Those who are not having textbook are writing.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then.
Plus 7, 4 by 5.
Do this question, okay? If you want, I'll share the slide in
Done.
the homework. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll just share the slide. There is the pyramid question also you have to complete, okay?
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Okay, then. Have a
Ma'am,
great day, children.
Can
Bye-bye.
I put this half? Can I put this all?
Yeah, that slide
all
I'll put in the classroom.
slides.
Yeah.
Also.
Okay, then.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.